Cordless vacuums are amazing until the battery dies halfway through the living room or they just push dirt around instead of picking it up. It's frustrating. So I went out and bought the top 5 cordless vacuums on the market and put them through the ringer, pet hair, cereal, dust, to see which one actually cleans and which one just sucks. In the bad way. Product number 1, Dyson CleanView XR Pet. I started with the Dyson CleanView XR Pet. Right out of the box, it felt sturdy, and I love that buying it helps homeless pets. But does it clean? I took it to my sofa, which was covered in cat hair, and the fur brush tool didn't just glide over it. It actually ripped the hair out of the fabric. The 300W motor definitely feels stronger than your average stick vac. The battery pops right out, so if you buy a spare, you can keep going forever, though the standard 40 minutes was enough for my downstairs. It's got 3 modes, but I mostly kept it on high for the carpets. If you're a pet owner who wants a machine built specifically for fur and you like supporting a good cause, this is a solid choice. Product number 2, Shark Power Pro Reveal Plus. Then I grabbed the Shark Power Pro Reveal Plus. This thing feels way more high-tech. My favorite feature is the Floor Detect technology. I walked from my kitchen tile onto the living room rug, and you can physically hear the motor rev up automatically. It takes the guesswork out of cleaning. It also has this dirt reveal light that highlights dust you normally miss. It was honestly kind of gross seeing how much dirt was actually on my floor. I tested the self-cleaning brush roll with long hair, and true to their word, 0 tangles. Plus, the HEPA filter is a lifesaver if you have allergies. If you want a vacuum that does the thinking for you and traps over 99% of dust, the Shark is worth the extra cash. Product number 3, LEVOIT Cordless Vacuum. Next, I tried the LEVOIT LVAC 200. The first thing I noticed was how incredibly lightweight it is compared to the Shark. It doesn't feel like a workout to lift it. Despite being light, the suction surprised me. I ran it for about 50 minutes on a single charge, which is better than both the Dyson and the Shark. It picked up cereal and dog food without just pushing it across the floor. The tangle-resistant design actually works well. I didn't have to cut any hair off the roller. Also, everything is washable, the filters, the roller, which saves money long-term. If you want something that's easy to carry up and down stairs but still has a battery that lasts nearly an hour, this is the one to beat. Product number 4, Black Plus DECKER POWERSERIS Plus. Speaking of smart features, I picked up the Black Plus DECKER POWERSERIS Plus. This has auto sense too, so it adjusts suction when you hit the carpet, but my absolute favorite part, it stands up on its own. It sounds simple, but being able to just leave it in the middle of the room to answer the door without leaning it against a wall is a massive convenience. The LED lights on the floor head are bright enough to spot crumbs under the cabinets. It ran for about 44 minutes in my test, which is decent. It claims 25% better pickup on carpet, and it definitely pulled up the fine dust that usually gets stuck deep down. If you are tired of your vacuum falling over every time you let go of it, get this one. Product number 5, X100 Cordless Vacuum. Finally, I tested the X100. This is the heavy hitter of the group. The specs on this are insane. It's got a 600-watt motor and 50,000 Pascal suction power. When I turned it up to max on the touch screen, it felt like it was glued to the floor. It sucked up heavy debris that the others struggled with. The battery life is also the best of the bunch, lasting over an hour, nearly 70 minutes. It also stands on its own like the Black Plus Decker. The V-shaped brush is clever because it channels hair into the suction rather than letting it wrap around. If you have a huge house and need raw power and long runtime above everything else, this is the beast you need. So whether you need the smart sensors of the Shark or the raw power of the X100, there is definitely a cordless option here that won't let you down. I've left links to all 5 of these in the description so you can check the current prices. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next review.